Irish manufacturing surges, April 2023 PMI insights. April has brought some exciting news for the Irish manufacturing sector. According to AIB, manufacturing output soared to its highest level since June 2022, marking a significant turnaround in activity. This month, production volumes and new orders surged at the fastest rate we've seen in 3 years, showcasing a robust upturn in the industry. The Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index, PMI, climbed to 53.0, a notable increase from March's 51.6. For those unfamiliar with the PMI, any score above 50 indicates growth, and April's figure has comfortably surpassed that mark for the 4th month in a row. This consistent performance signals a solid improvement in overall business conditions, which is fantastic news for the economy. When we compare the Irish manufacturing PMI to initial readings from the Eurozone, the US, and the UK, it stands out remarkably. While the US reported a slight contraction at 50.7, and the UK faced a more significant dip at 44.0, Ireland's PMI shines brightly at 53.0. This indicates that Irish manufacturers are not just keeping pace but are thriving in a challenging environment. AIB noted that this impressive reading reflects a strong and accelerated growth in both output and new business. The data from April highlights a robust upturn in production, driven by a significant increase in new orders, the strongest growth we've seen in 3 years. Interestingly, while export sales dipped in March, the latest PMI suggests that domestic demand has been the key driver behind the rising workloads in manufacturing. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Survey respondents pointed out challenges stemming from US tariffs and growing global economic uncertainty. Yet, there's a silver lining: improved demand from European clients is helping to offset these headwinds. Some firms reported that the economic uncertainty linked to US tariffs has caused clients to delay decisions, especially regarding major capital spending projects. On the flip side, there's anecdotal evidence that while US demand may be softening, spending is on the rise among clients in Asia and Europe. David McNamara, AIB's chief economist, emphasized that the rise in activity during April was broad-based, with growth in output and new orders, alongside signs of stock building amid tariff uncertainties. He noted that employment expanded, albeit modestly, as companies remained cautious about hiring. The Purchases Index also saw a significant rise, reaching its highest level since May 2022, indicating a sharp increase in input buying by firms. Some businesses are even pre-purchasing critical inputs in response to the heightened global trade uncertainty. While some higher input prices are linked to raw material costs and rising energy prices, the overall outlook for Irish manufacturing is looking bright. AIB's headline PMI serves as a composite indicator of manufacturing performance, derived from various factors including new orders, output, employment, suppliers' delivery times, and stock levels. With such promising indicators, it seems that Irish manufacturing is on a path to recovery and growth.